Please hit the subscribe button and tap the bell icon for the future notification to watch more videos of latest fashions and trends. Thank you so much for your love.
Hello friends, welcome back to Amazing Men's World. In this video I've come up to show you making of this beautiful sleeves designing pattern using the normal stitching needle. We need to give the checks markings of square box 1 by 1 inch, and next to that I'd be using green color leaf shaped kundans of very small size. On these corners I'd be applying the glue lines like this to stick the leaf shaped kundans, and this is how we have to stick. We can design this complete sleeves, or else you can design only with the single line like this. What not, you can try for the necklines also the same way, following the instructions. And in the center I'd be stitching the pearl like this. Here I'd be elaborating step by step so that you can create it at home very easily following these steps. And also you can try this on old stitched blouses also, removing the side stitches of the sleeves, fix the frame, then follow these instructions. And now I'd be using gold Zardosi string. This is of antique gold Zardosi, which I cut in 1 inch in length because the square box is of 1 inch, and that 1 inch I'd be stitching on these lines. This is how we have to give the extension one after another lines. And for this stitching I'd be using cotton silk thread, which we normally use for sewing of the garments, and 9 number hemming needle for stitching of this Zardosi. This is how we have to insert in the needle and give an overlapping stitches on it. Like this, all the lines has to be designed with the Zardosi string. Now I'd be highlighting these leaf shaped kundans, so applying the glue using here the chain bow lace. Here instead of chain bow lace you can also try with the stone lace, pearl lace, or else you'll get also the stone laces in different colors. So I had measured accordingly this length and cut that I'd be sticking here on the glue. These are very grand looking designs which you can try it at home, and these patterns you can try with the less time and less efforts. And once the glue is completely dried, we have to give an invisible stitches on each and every chain ball lace, so that even after the frequent washes also it will not come out. This is how we have to secure it. So here I'd be showing the sample so that you'll get an idea to create like this type of sleeves designing. This will really look so awesome. You can try it. Hope sharing of this idea is useful to you. And today I have come up with the latest beautiful collections from Bhargavi Sarees collections. You can clearly see here with the WhatsApp number in front of your screen, and the design models also I had given the caption so that you can check it out. And the WhatsApp number is available. You can join in the groups so that you will get the latest updates. These are very reasonable prices which you can try for the coming occasion of Varalakshmi Vratham, and Shravan Masam offers also available, so that you can check in WhatsApp groups. The beautiful color combinations you can clearly see here, which really looks rich and grand. Heavily designed pallu and the borders with almost 12 to 20 inch. These are pure Kanchi Kora silk sarees which you can get for the price of 6,230 plus shipping charges, and the delivery is all over available in India through courier. Coming is a beautiful color combination so that you will get an idea how the saree would look. Zeri border tussar silk saree with the price of 4,500 with shipping charges. And these are Kuppadam silk sarees with different color combinations, and the price would be of 6,000 plus shipping. See the beautiful nice and color combination which I like it this like anything, and the price you can check here with the 1400 along with additional shipping charges. These are tussar silk sarees with the zari borders. Not only the sarees, you will also get the dress materials like this with the beautiful color combination, which really looking so awesome with the zari simple border. This is also of tussar silk suits with the price of 3350 plus shipping charges. You will get in versatile different very nice color combinations. Khadi cotton suits which is available with 1100 plus additional shipping charges. And next is these are Banarasi silk suits with the price of 1100 plus shipping. All these beautiful collections you will get from Bhargavi's DM collections. The WhatsApp number is available in front of your screen. Join in their groups for their exciting offers which you will get with the less prices, and these are ikat suits which you will get for the price of 900 plus shipping charges. Extend your helping hands to the handloom weavers and these type of wholesale dealers, so because they come up with very minimum charges which you'll not get anywhere. If you try these type of materials or else the sarees to purchase from outside, definitely you have to pay double of the amount which I am showing. So please try to join in the groups and extend your hands for the handloom weavers. It's my appeal to all of you. I would appreciate your support. Thank you so much for watching, friends. Meet you all with another interesting video. If you really enjoyed watching this video, please hit the like icon to support my efforts. Also do share this video in your community or circles, may be useful to others. Thank you so much for watching, friends. Subscribe to Amazon Women's World channel. Stay tuned to watch more videos of latest fashions and trends. Please do also hit the bell icon.